Alright guys, quick tip for all the part-time traders out there. As a part-time trader myself, I kinda found myself being lost in all the noise and the news and all the things that I considered very important for my trading. But as time went by, I actually realized that I don't need more news, more headlines, more indicators. All I actually needed was more time to do other stuff than trading. Sounds a little bit ridiculous, but that's what actually helped me improving my trading. So I do think it could help a lot of you guys. I'm using market search for my weekend scans, and I got kind of strict with my criterias. In the beginning, I was looking at like somewhere north of 800 stocks. And now I'm looking at somewhere between 100 to 150 stocks every weekend. It's easy to keep track of, and it's very easy to actually do stock work, dig a little bit deeper, and to filter out stronger, more potent stocks and to reduce the noise overall. So how do I do it? In the beginning, I was looking at stocks above 90 RS because I thought, okay, those are great stocks. They probably are, but for me, having limited time to scan and screen and do all that stock work, I decided I go higher. Like, I go to RS 95, which actually cuts the number of stocks in half that I'm looking at. Then I only look at stocks above $15, which also reduces again by like 220 stocks. I only look at stocks with a average dollar volume which is quite high, because I want liquid stocks. I want stocks that are attracting institutions and bigger buyers, because I'm just a small fish. I just want to swim along, right? I want to ride the wave, if you so will. I want to find the wave and I want to ride it. So those are my main criterias. There are also other criterias. For example, the ATR. I prefer to look at stocks with an ATR above 3.5%. Above 3.5, sorry. And why is that? Simple, because I want to buy a stock and I want to know quite quickly if I'm right or wrong. So higher ADR stocks give me that chance, and it also helps with turning it over. Like, higher ADR stocks are stocks that move faster, and if I'm in a stock, I want to have a fast mover, right? Not too fast, like not crazy fast, but decently fast, because time is money. So I'm also looking at higher ATR stocks, and with that, this is basically my scan for the weekend, right? There are some minor adjustments that I have, but there's really not much to it. 208 stocks right now, and yeah, that's it. This is how I narrow down my universe, and it's very, very simple. Most of the time, I'm actually not even looking at the stuff below 97 RS. So when I'm in a hurry, I'm really only just looking at stuff above 97 RS. And I also start off with the monthly chart. I don't look at the daily chart. I look at the monthly chart. And why is that? Because I'm interested in stuff that is at its all-time highs. So that's really easy. It's really simple. Like TTMI, looking good. My internet is a little bit terrible right now. For example, Velo 3D, not interested, because it's not its all-time highs. Just too far away. Can you make money with those stocks? Sure you can, but why would I bother? There are so many good stocks out there, and so many good-looking companies, so many strong companies, that I don't have to bother with stuff that is like 80% away from its all-time highs. VSET, for example, right now, not looking at it, just scanning through it. It's not WDC. Yeah, okay, looks interesting. This passes the initial first scan. Wolf speed, for example. Yeah, not really interested. Too far away from its all-time highs. AG, yeah, one could make a case, but not really interested. So yeah, really just narrow down your focus on stuff that it's close to its all-time highs, and then yeah, really go through it with the wider picture in mind. Use the monthly chart, see where the stock is living at, discard everything that is too far away from its all-time highs, and boom, you go from 11,000 stocks that you could potentially trade to somewhere between 100 to 150 in real quick. And you basically get back time for other stuff, which is, at least for me, helping me with my performance in the stock market, because I'm not too concerned about making a good return for the time that I'm putting in, right? Because the time I'm putting in right now is, I would say, like 2 to 3 hours a week, roughly, besides studying and reading books and stuff, right? This time comes on top, but for my screening and my actual stock work in front of the screen, it's like 2 to 3 hours really, and that is, and I'm not really that strict, right? You can tighten it up even more, but yeah, that's really just a quick little tip for everybody trading part-time. Narrow down your focus, look at stuff that it's close to its all-time high, and you should be able to go through your stock list in no time.